Hello everybody, this is Ali with Rio Mar Travel Organizers. Today I am going to share with you how do I use the Clearwater set. This set is 3 pouches that they're made with clear vinyl, and they're specifically made so that you can find your things right away. So you know exactly what you have in your bag. You can find what you need when you need it. Now, I just want to make sure I clarify I am not an affiliate for any of these products. So if you see some of these name brands that you recognize, I am not an affiliate. These are products that I just use. And so I want to show you how I really use the bags that I make and design. I design it with the idea of being used, and so I'm showing you how I use them. This set is 3 pouches that are see-through. 2 of those you can bring with you through TSA, no problem. The 3rd one you may have to check in your luggage depending on what you put inside the pouch. So without further ado, let me show you how to use the Clearwater set. The first pouch of the Clearwater set is the small one, the perfect TSA approved size. This one is 9 inches long by 6 inches tall. As you can see, I'm able to put the most important items inside this pouch. This one can go through TSA, no problem. You can put it in your carry-on bag or in your personal bag, but mainly I keep in here just the most important things like the hand sanitizer, the toothbrush, some medication for the headache, whatever, toothpaste, lotion, a small lotion, some potpourri. You know, if you don't know what that is, Google it. And of course, mascara and the curler and the case for the contact lenses. But these are the items that if for some reason my luggage gets lost because I had to transfer and I have to wait until I get my luggage, or I have to stay somewhere unexpectedly, these are the must-have items that I carry with me. Now, I will also put here a small deodorant. If you put your items horizontally, you can fit more. This is a pouch that I definitely bring with me. Even if I'm not traveling, I usually keep one in my purse. With this, you'll be able to know exactly what you have, and you'll be able to find it when you need it. And you'll know exactly, without having to open the bag, what's inside, which it's such a time saver. It really is. The second pouch in the Clearwater set is the medium size pouch. And this one is the size of a piece of paper. It's 11 inches by 8 inches. And I use this pouch, as you can see, for my electronics, cables and chargers and things like that. I just recently traveled and I keep this with me also in my carry-on or in my personal bag. So this can go through TSA, no problem. And the reason why is because there's no liquids here. These are all the electronics accessories. And this fits perfectly if you have like a book bag or, you know, a personal item, a bag with you, or in your carry-on. So this is something that you want to have handy because batteries don't last very long. And so you want to have access to this right away. And you want to keep them all together, and you want to be able to see them right away. So they're all in one place. You can just pull them out, take whatever you need, put it back inside your bag, and it's easy access, and you can see exactly what you have, and you can make sure that you don't forget any of your cables, your chargers, because we all know that we have left some chargers in the hotel room, the friend's house, wherever we were. We left some chargers behind. So this will take care of that problem. Last but not least, the third piece of the Clearwater set is the large size. And this size is 12 inches long by 9 inches tall. And as you can see, I'm bringing full size liquid. So this cannot go through TSA. I have to check this in. Now, if you use this pouch for something other than liquids, you can bring this with you also in your carry-on bag. You can bring like hair accessories, some documents if you need to, candy, food. You can actually bring food with you if you're traveling through TSA, you know, like a snack or something like that. You can have them here organized in the little individual bags. Any like belts or like hair pieces, hairbrush, anything like that you can bring here, and it will work as well, and you don't have to check it in your luggage. But if it's anything that is more than 3.4 fluid ounces, you definitely have to check it in. Another great feature of these pouches, the Clearwater sets, are the snap handles. They are long enough that you will be able to hang this pouch anywhere, because it's, first of all, it opens. So even if the hook is, even if it's like a rod, it doesn't have like a hook, so it's a rod. If this was closed, how do you hang it? There's no way. So you can open it, and it's long enough that it will go over the rod, and then you can close your pouch. Definitely a pretty neat feature that a lot of other pouches do not have. And that I try to always include in most of my designs. If I feel that it could benefit you to have the snap handle, I will include that in the design of the pouch. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, would you please like this video? It helps me more than you know. And subscribe to the channel. That way you can get notifications when I upload the next video. And just be on the lookout for more videos on travel tips, packing tips, and new releases of brand new products. Okay, bye.